Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a REALME device, and as you can see I have in front of me a REALME C51, and now I can show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. Oh, firstly you need to take the cover off if you have the cover, and then just insert one of the part in the of the toothbrush inside the port and just gently pry the dirt out. So I think that toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector because it's soft and everyone has a toothbrush, and of course using toothbrush you can damage your port, but if you will use metal objects you can. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.